Kubor Kabatisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka umsingam beats aqua na molai moro hakajingdap sansnem jongka. Rengkat ka 3 Olives Restaurant M Crown Hotel Kendailat Shillong bat ka Orange Nissan Loan So Po Shillong. One bantiet ya ka Kalidatsan ready go bathamai ka baskem bat bidor.
Ka Sorkar Meghalaya kala Shulong tang kanong petkai wat laki kinhon ba pher ki ba kenthom ya kinong hikai bat ki samla puli Jong ka school ba North Eastern Hills University kila dawa ya ka Sorkar Pdeng baka day ban penkun no mardor ya ka samoy trikam Jong Professor SK Srivastava kum Vice Chancellor hadin bala penjalan biang ya ka jing trikam Jong sashisnem kenti hakabaya day bat kani Menteri Jong ketenat pulih putih ke Sorkar Jella ubak Lahkmen Rymbui habaya keren bat kilat pathai khubor ulaong baka Sorkar Jella hi kamla bantu kelar AA yakikam Jong keni ka school ba handrai ka ka baka Sorkar Jella kala banle kalong tang ban supha ya ka jingkerpat bat karai ka bakhaddu hi ka Shong ha ka Sorkar Pdeng.
Nehu is a central university. Appointment of all the necessary from VC till the is done by the ministry. So we from the government, whatever we do, is only the request. So, but the decision rests with the central government. For the best interest of a student, that should be the VC of Nehu. It's a very complex issue, and it needs a very thorough deliberation, and it is not very easy because it involves the recruitment process, it involves the management of the schools, it involves the service rules also. So as of now, it is very difficult for me to say anything on that issue. Government, not only now, even before also, but the government in previous times also, government have taken whenever there is any vacancy of the VC, have taken the necessary step. But as I said, that there is a procedure to be followed, and that procedure which being followed by the central government is following. So we are hopeful that the MHRD will surely taking a considered decision that the VC is appointed, the best person is appointed as the VC as and when they are appointed, and I wish that the person from the state may be given this responsibility. Having said that, it is not that it is only here, only the people here, but you have seen that there are times that the VC of the people from the state have been appointed as a VC in other central university also. It is not that the government of India is denying anything, but it depends upon the person-to-person, case-to-case basis. Recruitment, the issue of management, and the issue of service. These three issues, it is only three, but it is a very complex issue. How to synchronize this issue into one? It is very difficult as for the department to decide and for the government to decide. But having said that, this matter is not only being examined now, it is examined for the last many years, and so it is still examining what is the feasibility, what is the proactivity, and what is the way forward. We are surely, I'm very hopeful that something come out of this. There is nothing which we say that it is impossible, but having said that, as a responsible person, I cannot just make a statement which just to please somebody or just to say, but we have to see what is the long time consequence of any decision which we take or which we are not taking. As the government, we are looking into all the necessary steps to be taken, but as I said before, it's a very complex issue, and it needs deliberation, and not only deliberation, it needs of a very thorough study, because it is one of the toughest decisions